What's up you guys, Alex Payne here. I'm recording this quick video to tell you the reason why I use the Builderall platform. As an entrepreneur, you need to have a presence online, and I'm not talking about just having a fan page and static website. I'm talking about the whole enchilada like sales funnel, autoresponder sequence, applications like the browser notification, social proof, and even the ability to do webinars, right? Because you want to sell services, your products, and even your brand. If you were to pay for these tools separately, you would have paid hundreds if not thousands of dollars on a monthly basis just for these tools. With the Builderall platform, you pay very low and insignificant amount of money each month to have all these tools in one platform for a very low price. But that's not only the reason why I use the Builderall platform. If you are a newbie and you're just starting out and you don't have much time to talk to a developer or even to figure things out on your own, the Builderall platform has over 400 videos, tutorials teaching you exactly how to configure each tool for each application. Best of it is that you can drag and drop. Basically, you find an element, you find a template that you want to use, you click the element, you drag wherever you want on the screen and you drop it and it stays there, and that's how it works. It's very simple and easy to use. So I completely recommend for anybody wanting to have a presence online and dominate with either your service, product, or your brand.